Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar and we are discussing about Christ University admission. My dear students, Christ admission is going to happen in the month of March on 21st of March. Second phase will happen in the month of April. Third phase is going to take place in the month of June. Okay, so when you are going for Christ, whichever program you are applying for, whether it is BBA or you can say BA, LLB, ठीक है, whichever program you are targeting for, ठीक है, you are going to appear for written examination, then there is a micro presentation and then there is an interview. Okay, so today we are discussing about micro presentation, how to prepare, what to do, what not to do, and with that I'm going to give you free PDF, okay, which will contain important topics with write up for that. Okay, that will help you. This write up will be useful to you for all programs, whether it is BBA or you can say BBA, LLB or BA, LLB. Okay, for all programs, this write-ups will be very useful to you. Okay, micro presentation requires good amount of preparation. So you may ask, sir, what is micro presentation and what is tested? Okay, so when you go for an online interview, within the interview process itself, they are going to throw a question to you which is about micro presentation. They will give you a topic and you have to speak for that topic for 90 seconds. Okay, what are they going to test? They are going to test your knowledge, they are going to test your thought process, okay, your clarity in thinking, okay, your organization of argument and articulation. Okay, this becomes so crucial. Okay, so for example, a topic may be about, let's say, you can say a kind of PSUs are disinvested. Why PSUs have to be disinvested? So you have to give your knowledge there. Okay, so when you are talking about knowledge, make sure that you focus on keywords. You don't miss out on the keywords. Okay, you don't miss out on key events which took place connected to this particular issue. When you talk about your thought process, when you talk about thought process or clarity in thinking, what do? You try and portray how important is this issue. Okay, then how do you do that? You try and provide the size of the disinvestment, how it will benefit the, you can say, government, what is the total budget of the government, out of which what is the value of PSU disinvestment. Okay, 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 that is how you are comparing. You will also compare that disinvestment, okay, of a PSU, that means PSU's performance with respect to performance of other private limited companies. Yes or no? So that is how you try and compare. So your comparison or your analogies, okay, have to be appropriate. That is being told as thought process or clarity in thinking. Organization of argument, that means how do you start, okay, then how do you reach to the next point, okay, where do you reach to a conclusion for. So dosto, disinvestment, okay, is good or bad according to your argument. Okay, you have to identify on what premises, what kind of facts you are trying to provide. Based on that you reach to a conclusion. Yes or no? So my dear students, okay, this kind of things are being tested in your examination. Okay, you may wonder, sir, what kind of, you can say, micro presentation topics are provided. My dear students, majorly you will be getting descriptive, argumentative or general topic. Okay, while you can say in a rare case you get picture composition, you will be given a photograph, you have to speak for that for 90 seconds. But I think Christ may not take this kind of thing in this online mode. Okay, so what happens in a descriptive kind of topics like this? Okay, impact of Farmers Bill 2020. So you must talk about, there are 3 farmer bills. You must talk about what are the objective of each of them. You must talk about what happened, what was the old scenario, what was the loophole in it, what loophole or what problems are trying to be addressed by this particular thing, why farmers are protesting. Okay, those kind of things are being talked about. Yes or no? You may possibly talk about Atmanirbhar Bharat. There is a topic about self-reliant India. Okay, there you have to talk about what is current economic status of India. How much are we dependent on our own resources? How much are we bringing from outside? At one go, Government of India is saying Atmanirbhar Bharat. On the other go, Government of India is having a huge fiscal deficit. Yes or no? Okay. So how are you trying to manage and connect between these two ideas is what you have to talk about. Sustainable development. How ecological development or ecological, you can say, protection goes hand in hand with industrial development. Industrial development and ecological balance should go hand in hand. That is called sustainable development. Sustainable development is connected to United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which were started in 2015. Total 17 goals are there, which are going to get ended by 2030. You may talk about all those issues. Possibly, your presentation will become very powerful, will be more of content oriented. Yes or no? So here, when you talk about sustainable development goal, you talk about this 2015, 2030, 17 goals, poverty, okay, hunger, all those issues. When you talk about it, it will give a very brownie point to you, because examiner will think that wow, you are aware about it. Okay, so these are the kind of topics available for you in descriptive front. Similarly, when you talk about argumentative, okay, these are the kind of topic. One big question with large number of students have is, sir, in argumentative, you can say topic, do I need to, you can say, be on one side, or can I remain on neutral side? Okay, my answer to that is, my dear students, one intelligent thinker, okay, or one analytical thinker, or a manager, a future manager will always look at both side of arguments, will apply a kind of, you can say, a testing, you can say, parameters. So there are certain parameters he will apply, and he will try and see, based on the given parameters he has taken, which side is valued more, and he will be on that side. I hope you understand this. In nutshell, what I'm trying to tell is, you should take one particular side, okay, though you may possibly talk about both arguments, but you have to be on one side of it. Okay, logically, analytically, you have to reach on one side. Okay, maintaining balance on both sides is not giving a proper clarity of your thought process. It is simply saving your face and you say कि देखो दोनों पॉइंट है, अब क्या करना है मुझे नहीं पता, आप सोचो. No, that's not right. Okay, ठीक है, that's not right. It is being questioned to you. Are advertisements necessary? You say yes, they are necessary, or you say no, they are not necessary. Up to you. Yes, up to you whether you have to take yes or no, but you have to take one side. I hope it is very clear to you. Okay, you may argue, sir, if I'm on one side, okay, and the, you can say, examiner is on the other side, he had a different opinion about it. Okay, will it work with me? Don't worry about it. Examiner knows an intellectual mind will allow two differing opinions to get into the head. That is what examiner knows. Don't worry about it. You give your 100%, you give your analysis, you give your, you can say, analytical power, you analyze the argument and reach to a proper conclusion. That is what you are required to do. Don't worry about what examiner thinks. Okay, examiner will think based on your knowledge, your thinking process, ठीक है, your clarity of ideas, your articulation skills, ठीक है, उसके ऊपर आपको जज करेगा, नहीं के आप किस साइड पे हो. I hope it is very clear. Very good. ठीक है. Similarly, you can say, when I talk about, I will come back to the language part. Similarly, when we talk about abstract or general topic, such kind of topic, a leader is born, not made. Freedom is a myth. Now here, the game is very crucial. Freedom, okay, is a very broad term. There are some important, you can say, terms and terminologies are to be provided. If you don't apply those, you can say, words, it will not work. Make sure that you develop, you can say, a kind of keywords, okay, for your knowledge. Okay, you develop few quotes, okay, you develop few examples, okay, these are crucial. Okay, you may possibly develop, you can say, a lot of reading. You read a lot of things from a newspaper, from a magazine, or from a write-up, which you will get from my side. Okay, ठीक है, that is there given in the description link. ठीक है, आप वहां से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. Yes or no? That is from where you can download it. But the important part is, ठीक है, but the important part is, इस तरीके के जो कीवर्ड्स है या कोट है या एग्जांपल्स है वो बोलना जरूरी है. If you talk about leadership, ठीक है, you need to define what is leadership. You need to define how leaders are born or how leadership can be trained for on whatever side you are. Okay, you have to use those words. You have to use, you can say, some important keywords. Okay, this is crucial. So my dear students, how do you approach to a micro presentation in the interview room when the examiner tells you this is a topic? ठीक है, take 30-40 seconds to understand the topic, to digest the entire idea and take a particular stand. Okay, after that you start by giving introduction or by identifying a broader issue connected to the given topic. After that you give some important 3-4 points. My dear students, you may wish to talk a lot of things. Yes or no? आपके पास बहुत सारे विचार होंगे, आपको बहुत सारी चीज बोलनी है, but you know there is a time limit. Okay, so pick up only 3 or 4 very important points. ठीक है, speak less but elaborate more. ठीक है, explain the big ideas, then reach to a conclusion. If I'm an examiner and if I don't get a conclusion, I'm not happy. I'm not going to give you brownie points. So make sure that you have a conclusion. Okay, this is crucial. So your introduction, then 3-4 more important points which reaches to the conclusion. This is important. Okay, now what is the format of a micro presentation? As I mentioned, this is a format. Okay, ठीक है, use simple and concise language. The rule is don't make longish sentence. ठीक है, make very small sentence having some 5, 6, 7 words in one sentence. Okay, that's very important. Do not miss out to use keywords related to a topic, to the topic. It will make all the big difference. Keywords will tell the examiner that you are well read personality, you are aware about what is happening. For example, you are talking about Disha Ravi case. It is connected to, let's say, toolkit. It is connected to the farm bills. It is connected to 26 January protest. Okay, it is connected to freedom of speech and expression. It is connected to fundamental rights, article 19. ये सब वर्ड्स आपके मुंह से निकलने चाहिए कहीं ना कहीं सेंटेंस में बोलते हुए. These are called keywords. Okay, you keep talking about in a very engaging manner. ठीक है, you try to make it in a very engaging manner, and obviously you use your knowledge of English, logic and current affairs. This is very crucial. Whichever is your field, if you are going for BBA, they are going to give you topic related to business, economics, consumer behavior. ठीक है, if you are coming from law background, then they are going to give you questions about, let's say, law, about fundamental rights, about constitution related issues, and both of you will get a general topic as well. Okay, that means women are better managers than men, or with great power comes great responsibility. Those kind of topics may definitely come to you. Okay, may definitely come to you. So how do you prepare? I strongly suggest that topics which I given to you, prepare for them at least 2 topics per day. ठीक है, make sure that you develop in-depth understanding. ठीक है, you make your own audio, you make your own video. ठीक है, and observe it, try to analyze what kind of gaps you have, and then you also read newspaper on a daily basis so that you are going to get lot of input. Okay, great. So my dear students, in this small module I've tried to cover how to prepare for micro presentation. Do not miss out to take a PDF which is given in the description link, where there are, you can say, more than 100 topics are provided, and with all those topics, okay, we have given you write up, read them and gain knowledge about your current affairs. Okay, thank you very much for watching this, and all the best.